Okay, before I even talk about these two beautiful new Seikos, I want to turn the alarm on. Let's hear it. Pretty piercing. Well, and ascending. It's getting a little louder. That was simple enough. Okay, here we have the Addison in black and the Ryan in brown. They're both in wooden cases, both with real glass lenses, loud beep alarm, finial hands and minute hands, silver tone or gold tone faces, depending on which color you like. They both have white faces. Black Roman numeral hour markers, fixed battery cover. These are really, really nice clocks. The quality that went into these is just extraordinary. They weigh a pound each. They have very nice felt feet on the bottom, not to hurt your furniture. I'm in love with them. I'm sure America will too after today. Quality by Seiko.